Sardines. Small, silvery, super cheap, and packed with nutrition. They're one of the most popular canned foods on the planet. But how do they actually get made? Today we're going deep inside the factory, from ocean to sealed can, every single step. Let's go. Over 3 million tons of sardines are caught every year worldwide. That becomes billions of cans, in oil, tomato sauce, brine, you name it. It all starts at sea. Late afternoon and night is the best time. Sardines rise to the surface to feed on plankton. The main tool is the purse seine. Boat circles the school, drops a giant net, pulls it tight, fish trapped like in a bag. Old school way, watch seagulls diving or look for bubbles. Modern fleets, sonar and radar, find schools instantly. Sound waves go down, bounce off the fish, come back. The computer tells depth, size, density in seconds. Catch is pumped straight into refrigerated holds. Ice or chilled water keeps them fresh for the trip back to port. Docks unload super fast, usually under 24 hours from catch. Trucks race to the cannery with ice on top. Factory gets them in less than 5 hours after arrival. Freshness is non-negotiable. Quality depends on it. Stop, ice water tanks. Sardines stay at around 5 degrees Celsius. No spoilage allowed. Step 1. Evisceration. Heads and guts come out. Machines do it fast on automated lines. Manual lines still exist too. Workers at stainless tables use knives. Slower, but often cleaner cuts and less waste. Next, 30-minute brine soak. Firms the flesh, adds flavor, important prep step. Then onto angled metal grills, washed under high pressure to remove excess salt. Sardines go into large steam ovens for pre-cooking, 100 to 120 degrees Celsius, 10 to 20 minutes. Even cooking, no drying out the fish. Raw pack method is very common now. Clean sardines go straight into cans raw, no pre-cook. Oil, brine, tomato sauce, or water poured in. Then vacuum sealed, no air left inside. Sealed cans go into autoclaves, high-pressure steam chambers, up to 130 degrees Celsius. 90 minutes inside, cooks the fish completely and sterilizes everything, kills all bacteria. Third method, inverted cooking. Raw sardines packed, cans flipped upside down so fat and juices drain during cooking. After cooking, sardines are neatly arranged in cans, usually by machine for perfect packing. Serving liquid added last. Olive oil, vegetable oil, tomato sauce, or brine. Flavor boost and long shelf life. Cans move to automatic seamers. Lid crimped on under vacuum. Zero oxygen inside. Filled liquid cleaned off outside. Cans washed and dried before final step. Cans cool slowly in controlled water baths. Prevents dents and thermal shock. Cooled cans get labeled. Brand, nutrition facts, expiry date. All automatic. Packed into cases, loaded on trucks, shipped to stores, from ocean to shelf in days. And that's how sardines go from swimming in schools to your table, ready to eat, safe, and full of goodness.